Management Assistant is all about providing a great customer experience, giving you access to what you need to perform your job easier and smarter. To do that and make this the best experience possible for you, your feedback is essential. When you're using the tool, there are multiple prompt points where you can provide feedback to the team, such as the thumbs up, thumbs down, sharing your thought on what you've experienced. This is a great way to give both positive and negative feedback, as well as requests. It would be great if this feature also had X. Copilot likewise has the option to provide feedback. So when you use the tool, you can ask it something such as fetching it a data sheet. The tool will process this request, and in response to that prompt, you can give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Obviously, in this case, it's provided us with the datasheet that we asked for. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Accuracy, it's given us the correct sheet, and we can provide some other information here as well. Likewise, if the prompt is not what we were expecting, giving feedback helps us to improve the tool for you.